Hey everyone, welcome back to American Restored. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the golden era of campers, a time when RVs and motorhomes weren't just vehicles, they were symbols of freedom, adventure, and the open road lifestyle. From the shiny aluminum Airstreams that glimmered in the sun to the quirky VW camper vans that became icons of counterculture, these vehicles carried families, friends, and memories across countless highways. They weren't just about getting from point A to B. They were about the journey, the laughter around a campfire, the feeling of wind in your hair, and the thrill of exploring the unknown. So buckle up, because today we're exploring 15 RVs and motorhomes that defined a generation of road trips, adventure, and rolling homes on wheels. 1. Winnebago Chieftain. Starting with the classic Winnebago Chieftain from the 1960s. Sleek, stylish, and spacious, the Chieftain became the dream of every family who wanted to explore the country. Its interior was practical yet cozy, featuring bunk beds for kids, ample storage for parents, and a layout that screamed adventure. Every journey in the Chieftain felt like a personal road trip kingdom on wheels, where freedom and exploration were guaranteed. 2. Airstream Motorhome. The silver bullet of the open road. Airstreams weren't just motorhomes, they were lifestyle statements. Lightweight, aerodynamic, and oh so stylish, these vehicles glimmered in the sun and turned heads everywhere. Imagine parking one by a lake at sunset, its polished aluminum reflecting golden light. It was pure magic. Every ride was a glamorous adventure, combining comfort, innovation, and timeless design. 3. Volkswagen Camper Van, Type 2. The legendary VW Type 2, compact, quirky, and iconic. Perfect for weekend getaways, music festivals, or long scenic drives, these vans offered a pop-top roof, foldable beds, and clever storage. They became a symbol of youth, counterculture, and the ultimate freedom to roam wherever the road led. Owning a VW van wasn't just transportation, it was a lifestyle. 4. Ford E-Series Motorhome. Reliable, robust, and spacious. The Ford E-Series motorhomes of the 70s and 80s were the workhorses of the open road. Built on a strong Ford chassis, these RVs could carry entire families and all their gear with ease. Comfortable interiors, practical layouts, and powerful engines meant adventure never had to stop. They perfectly blended durability with classic style. 5. GMC Motorhome. Ahead of its time, the GMC Motorhome featured a smooth, low-profile design that was both aerodynamic and futuristic. Its fiberglass body and unique design made heads turn, while its performance and comfort kept families cruising comfortably for miles. Even today, collectors hunt for these rare gems, keeping the golden era alive on modern highways. 6. Fleetwood Bounder. The Fleetwood Bounder was more than a motorhome. It was a family companion. With spacious interiors, clever storage compartments, and timeless styling, it transformed every road trip into an unforgettable adventure. Families knew that hitting the road in a Bounder guaranteed comfort, fun, and lasting memories. 7. Winnebago Brave. Bold, practical, and stylish, the Winnebago Brave captured the essence of weekend getaways. Its reliability made spontaneous trips stress-free, while the sleek interior and functional layout elevated every journey. Driving a Brave meant experiencing life on the open road in style and comfort. 8. Airstream Excella. The Excella series of Airstreams took the classic design to the next level, blending luxury with practicality. Polished interiors, smart layouts, and elegant finishes made long-distance travel feel like a five-star adventure. Couples and families alike appreciated the Excella's ability to combine comfort and style effortlessly. 9. VW Westphalia Camper. Adventure seekers fell in love with the Westphalia. Its pop-top roof offered extra sleeping space, and its compact interior was surprisingly comfortable. Whether driving through mountains, forests, or beaches, the Westphalia could take you anywhere. It was the ultimate combination of mobility, practicality, and adventure. 10. Holiday Rambler Imperial. One of the largest motorhomes of its time, The Holiday Rambler Imperial was a rolling mansion. Families could travel in luxury and comfort, bringing along everything they needed for long-distance adventures. Its spacious interiors and high-end finishes made every trip grand and unforgettable. 11. Revkin Motorhome. The Revkin was futuristic in every sense, with its sleek fiberglass body and aerodynamic design. A true 70s icon, it turned heads wherever it went. The Revkin wasn't just about travel. It was about making a statement, embracing innovation, and enjoying life in a uniquely stylish way. 12. Shasta Compact Motorhome. Shasta's compact models were perfect for couples or small families seeking freedom on the road. Small yet surprisingly comfortable, these motorhomes were easy to maneuver, efficient on fuel, and ideal for weekend getaways or longer trips. They perfectly balanced mobility with charm. 13. Coachman Classic. Dependable, practical, and stylish, the Coachman Classic became a familiar sight on American highways. Its reliable engine, classic design, and user-friendly interiors made it a favorite among weekend campers, creating countless memories of spontaneous adventures and family bonding. 14. Bluebird Wander Lodge. For luxury lovers, the Bluebird Wander Lodge was unmatched. High-end interiors, spacious layouts, and superior comfort transformed road trips into extraordinary experiences. Families and adventurers could travel in style, turning ordinary journeys into five-star adventures on wheels. 15. Chevrolet Motorhome. Finally, the Chevrolet Motorhome. Reliable, practical, and stylish. Widely used across the U.S., it carried families and friends on countless adventures. Its durability, versatility, and classic American charm helped create memories that lasted a lifetime, making it an essential icon of the golden era. Final thoughts. And there you have it. 15 iconic RVs and motorhomes that define the golden era of campers. These rolling homes weren't just about travel. They represented freedom, adventure, and the pure joy of the open road. From sleek Airstreams to quirky VW vans, each RV has its own story. Family trips, late-night campfires, spontaneous adventures, and memories that last a lifetime. They remind us of a time when the journey itself was just as exciting as the destination. Which one of these classics would you love to take on your next road trip? Or maybe you've already made memories in one of them. Share your stories in the comments. We'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss another nostalgia journey here on American Restored. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring the open roads of history